Welcome to the Station Bakery. This is how you make delicious cookie butter chocolate covered strawberries. I know, so exciting. Dip fresh strawberries that have been washed, cleaned, and dried into melted cookie butter. I melt mine for a few seconds in the microwave. I find it best to leave the top of the strawberry uncovered to allow the chocolate to attach and hold. This will prevent the chocolate and cookie butter from sliding off of the strawberry if it gets warm. Allow the cookie butter to solidify before dipping into white chocolate with crushed Biscoff cookies. The cookies are completely optional though. I gather the leaves of the strawberry in my fingers to prep for dipping. Toothpicks are a great option as well to help with dipping. I dip my strawberry into the chocolate and twist it to cover majority of the strawberry. The better you cover your strawberry, the less chance of having seepage and your berry being ruined. Before the chocolate sets, dip the strawberry into crushed Biscoff cookies or sprinkle them over the top. This is a simple way to decorate the chocolate covered strawberry and allows the flavor to speak for itself. Are you excited to try this flavor? If so, hit the like button on this video, then watch this one next. Until next time, peace.